So, you like dice and Dungeons and Dragons, huh? Well then boy do I have the module for you. I wrote a new module called the Fate Roller's Haunt. It's suitable for a one-shot, if you like long one-shots, or 2 sessions. It's about 14 pages worth of a module, as well as a ton of supporting material, like if you use the item card template that I made up for everybody. It's got that. It's got high-resolution images of both the map and dungeon maps for you to follow. But wait, there's more, because not only is all of that going to be available in the description down below, we've got 4, count 'em, 4 unique monsters and stat blocks, all designed by me and art created by Retrograde Minis. Now I wonder if you're thinking, man, I can't get high resolution copies of those images for myself. Well, think again. The same system that we did before for the Cabochon token video, that same guy made this, so you can just go right to retrogrademinis.com and click to start, and bada boom, you're on his website. Now, this is not actually an advertisement for Retrograde Minis, but he made this art and it's really good, and he did it for free because he's awesome. Now, you might also be thinking that, gosh dang, that must cost a lot, but his stuff is real cheap. But even then, you might be thinking that this crazy art, there's no way that I could be getting this high detailed level art to print out for free. Well, you can if you use the code DICEGOBLIN. You will get all of the images from the module ready to go to be printed and put on your tabletop, or to just take their images and put them into Roll20. Speaking of Roll20, if this isn't enough of a deal for you, if you're saying, you know, I need to be walked through this module step by step, that's okay. We have a huge 7.5 hour long stream that we did running through this entire module with some other amazing dice makers.
So it's okay if we explode them. You must have heard Shadow Daddy.
Diamonds. How big of diamonds are we talking about?
Well, you're gonna teach me how to play this game now, okay there, bud?
No, you don't need to worry. He's perfect, and I'm talking to the skeleton.
So if you're bored during this coronavirus time and looking for a module that has your little Dice Goblin friend in it, then look no further, because I got you covered. Thank you so much to the patrons who help support this channel so that I can do things like write modules like this for free and give them out to you. I hope that you all have an awesome time playing with this, and if you do play with it, let me know. I'd love to see if you find some of the hidden secrets or enjoy yourself in a particular way. Or if you hate it, I don't know, I want to know that too so that I can change and get better. Subscribe to see some more content like this, and remember, all of it's going to be in the link in the description down below for free, so go have fun with this. I hope that you all have a safe and fantastic day.